Okay, so let me tell you something about legal marketing that most lawyers don't want to hear. Google Ads for attorneys is the most expensive click on the internet. Personal inquiry keywords, $100 to $300 per click. Not per lead, but per click. For example, Facebook, $20 to $50 per lead. Actual lead, name, phone number, case type, and here is the thing. Most law firms think Facebook is for vacation photos and political arguments. They are ignoring a platform where their clients spend 2 hours a day. So let me show you how to use it to get more cases, step by step. So why Facebook for attorneys? Aren't these leads lower quality than Google? So let me flip that question. For example, if a case is worth $5,000 to $50,000, does it matter if the lead came from Google or Facebook? What matters is whether they have a real case and whether they hire you. So Facebook works differently from Google. On Google, someone is actively searching. On Facebook, your ad reaches people who have a legal problem but haven't taken action yet. So they got injured but haven't called anyone. For example, they want a divorce but keep putting it off. Maybe they got a DUI last week and are scared. So So these people need a lawyer. They just haven't searched yet for one yet. Your ad is the push they needed. And the volume, unlimited. On Google, you are limited by how many people search lawyer near me. On Facebook, you are limited by your budget. More budget equals more leads. Okay, so now the offers, and for lawyers this is critical. So you can't say 50% of your case. Legal marketing has rules, but what you can do is remove friction. Make it easy for someone to take the first step. For example, first, free case evaluation. Find out if you have a case in 15 minutes. This is the gold standard. No risk, no commitment, and the time frame 15 minutes makes the feel quick and easy. So people with legal problems are overwhelmed. Quick and easy is exactly what they need. And second, injured in an accident, you may be owed compensation. Free consultation, no fees unless we win. So for personal inquiry specifically, no fees unless we win is the strongest offer in legal marketing. It removes all financial risk. And third, going through a divorce, know your rights before you sign anything. Free 20 minutes consultation. For family law, the fear of making a mistake is huge in divorce. So knowing your rights before you sign addresses that fear directly. Okay, so the ads, 3 types. One important note also, because legal ads have complaints requirements. Keep claims factual and avoid guaranteeing results. The attorney talking to the camera, for example, this is the fifth one. So you in your office or in front of your firm, professional but approachable. If you've been in a car accident in city, you might be entitled to compensation. So we handle everything. You focus on recovery and free case evaluation, a link below. So this is 20 seconds. This is 20 seconds, calm, confident, and empathic. So this is your best ad because clients hire the lawyer they trust. Okay, next one is the educational post. For example, three things you should never say to an insurance company after an accident, or what happens if you miss the statute of limitations in let's say Florida. So educational content positions you as the expert. People think this lawyer knows what they are talking about, and click. No hard sell, just value. Okay, and next one, client testimonial. For example, I was in a car accident and I didn't know what to do. Fair name handled everything. I got amount and didn't pay anything upfront. So this is real person, real result, and yeah, this is generally very, very powerful. So, but generally check your bar results, check your bar rules on testimonials. Some states require disclaimers, so add them if they require. Okay, so also run R3. So attorney on camera builds trust. Educational builds authority, and testimonial proves results. Okay. So now let's talk about campaign settings, how to set up. So objective, leads, budget, $30 to $75 a day. And yes, in this case higher than other industries, but a single case can be worth $5,000 to $50,000. So you are not selling, a $99 cleaning, you are getting cases. And yeah, targeting your jurisdiction, city or county where you practice. And yeah, age 21 to 65, usually this is the best for your industry. And yeah, no interest, broad targeting is working better in 2026. And legal problems don't discriminate. And one ad set, all three creatives inside. Okay, and a lead form. So in lead form we should have full name, phone number, and qualification question like what type of case with options: car accident, personal inquiry, a divorce, family, criminal defense, estate planning, and other. So case type is critical for law firms. A personal inquiry lead goes to a different attorney than a divorce lead. So routing matters. Okay, and of course you should add a thank you screen for this form. For example, an attorney will call you within 1 hour for your free evaluation. The word attorney matters, not our team, not someone, an attorney. Okay. And yeah, follow-up. So follow-up for law firms is different. So here is why. In this case, speed is everything. Sorry, not this page. Wait. Yeah, probably I don't have this page for you to display. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, probably it is this. But yeah, anyway, speed is everything because legal leads are emotional. So someone just got in an accident, someone just got served divorce papers, they are stressed, scared, and they filled out your form because they need help right now. So if you call in 5 minutes, you are the you are their lawyer. If you call tomorrow, they already called someone else. So the first call is not a sales call, also it's empathy. So for example, hey Sarah, I'm Anthony Jason. I saw you were in a car accident. First of all, are you okay? Tell me what happened. So listen, show you care, and then explain how you can help. So this is the intake process, and it determines whether they become a client. Okay, and here is the math that makes it all work. You spend $50 per lead, you get this one. So you spend $50 per lead, you get $30 a month. That's $1,500 out of 30 leads. So maybe 8 to 10 have real cases. You sign 4 to 5. If the average case is worth $5,000 to you, that's $20,000 to $25,000 in revenue from 1,500 in ad spend. So that's 13 to 16 x in return. So also for personal inquiry firms on litigation, the cases can be worth 50, 100 to 200,000. So one signed case from Facebook page for a year of ads. So yeah, this is very, very powerful. Sorry for this sign, but sorry for this very strong sun. But yeah, I can't do anything right now with this. Okay. So let's do a quick recap. So number 1, offer a free case evaluation, 15 minutes, no risk, no commitment. And number 2, 3 ads, attorney on camera, educational post, and client testimonial. And number 3, higher budget, $30 to $75 per day. One case pays for months of ads. And number 4, call in 5 minutes, empathy first. For example, are you okay? And tell me what happened. And number 5, the math. So $1,500 monthly in ads, it equals usually 4 to 5 cases signed, and it equals 20 to 25k in revenue. So 13 to 16x return. Okay, so tell me what area of law do you practice, and drop it in the comments. So subscribe for more. I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and yeah, see you in the next one.